Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is me, William Fallow, and I'm gonna try to cook a meal today that I haven't cooked, and we'll see how it goes. And the ingredients are ground up chicken, we got some rice, we got bacon bits, and we got corn chips and queso blanco. And we're gonna put this all together and make a meal and see what it looks like. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you excited to see what this ends up? The first thing I want to do is get my pan ready and put the chicken into the pan. And you can hear it starting to sizzle. That is ground chicken, and you let that cook in the pan. The next thing I got, ladies and gentlemen, in there in the pan is the queso blanco. I'm probably gonna let that cook 10 to 15 minutes to get it to thicken a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. And that's gonna be the key to the success of this dish right here, the queso blanco. Look at that queso blanco boil. Oh yeah. And it's boiling right now at a 3, so it's pretty low. Now, I got some corn chips in a bag, and I'm gonna scrunch them, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna scrunch the corn chips. And I'm gonna try to scrunch them as much as I can, ladies and gentlemen. To get the, to get it in the smallest bits of pieces that I can for the meal. And you keep scrunching them until you get them to the way that you like them. Now that the chicken is done, I'm gonna put some rice in it. Yep, I got some rice in it, and that was pre-cooked rice. And I'm gonna put that in there. The next thing that I want to put in there, ladies and gentlemen, is the crunched up corn chips. Oh yeah. And we're gonna mix that around. Get that mixture evenly in there, and look at that. Is it going? And now, next thing, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm gonna take the queso and I'm gonna pour it into the mixture. Oh yeah, look at that queso. Ain't that looking good? Oh, thank you very much. That's my mom. Now that we got the mixture in there, ladies and gentlemen, we got the rice, chicken, queso, and the corn chips. The next thing, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put in there is bacon bits. Real bacon bits. Don't put in that fake bacon bits. Pour in the real bacon bits. Oh yeah, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that you got that in there, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna start mixing the goods. You're gonna start, look at that. Oh yeah. You mix it up really good. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Queso, chicken, bacon, corn chips, and rice. I'm gonna call this the QBC. Ladies and gentlemen, I am gonna taste QBC. Queso, bacon chicken. Alrighty. Let's get a taste of this now. That is a delicious dish. So good! Oh yeah!